Hello.
Good morning, Your Honor.
So I understand we're pretty close, sounds like?
By my calculations, using the order of February 6th of 2008, I'm coming up with a total of $2,287, and Mr. Carr has paid $1,280.
Ma'am, Your Honor.
We're not on the record yet, but go ahead. So we can
Okay,
resolve this.
I called child support, and they said I got 3 kids that I'm paying on right now. I mean, I know I owe back, but they said to add, I wanted the paper, saying something about, what I paid. And all that. She said she couldn't do that, but to take 3 children per month, $142.94, multiply that, for each month.
Yeah, I understand how to do the math.
And Lisa even said this to me this morning when she called me about my son, that I am $450 short from that. So her paper says 571, something like that, I don't know.
Well, it could be a payment is in process, so we could be pretty close. I realize you don't have your client here today, are you agreeable? I mean, if your client says it's $450 or whatever this number is.
And also I paid off the orthodont.
Yeah, I understand that that's agreed to. What I'm thinking, when can you raise the money, the $440?
Today.
Today?
Yeah.
By like, say, 4 o'clock?
Yeah.
Can you get it to counsel's office?
To whose? Child support?
I can, if I can give you directions.
Okay.
Okay. Well, if you get it to child support, then you won't know that it happened today.
Yeah, how do I,
Yeah.
I can get it to child support, and then what do I just contact you with the paper showing it, or?
Yeah, bring a
Right.
receipt from child support would be fine.
Okay.
She
To
does
her
have
office.
receipts, and I'm sure she hasn't received that money yet.
Okay.
I could see a payment 2 days ago that I'm sure she hasn't seen yet.
Okay, so what was it, 440?
Or,
450?
yeah, I'm just rounding it off, I'm saying 450, and that's what I'll pay. It's
Okay.
actually a little less.
Can we do this? Can we agree that he's purged the contempt if he gets an additional $450 to the agency by 4 o'clock today?
I don't have my client's authority, but I'll make sure I get it.
Okay, I'm sure she'll want to see them.
Exactly.
And I can promise you, I am busy right now. February hurt me. I did not have any work in that month, but that was a big snow. And I've tried to make up for it
Okay.
by paying larger amounts.
For the purpose of the record, I'm just going to go on the record briefly so that we can memorialize the agreement. Okay, we're here in 99DR0108, Lisa Carr versus Kurt Carr. Mr. Carr is present today, proceeding without counsel. Ms. Carr is not present, I understand, because of a medical emergency, but she is represented by Alicia Hadcock. We're here for the purpose of a purge hearing, and we had a discussion off the record whereby it's my understanding that the parties will agree that if Mr. Carr pays $450 to the child support agency and brings a receipt to Ms. Hadcock's, I can't talk today, office by 4 o'clock today, that the parties agree he has purged the contempt.
Okay.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Carr?
Yes, it is, and it will happen.
Ms. Hadcock?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and if that doesn't happen and counsel notifies me, I'm going to find that you have not purged the contempt
Right.
and impose the jail sentence.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Your
Thank
Honor.
you. Please.
You're welcome. Let me show you my office.
Okay.
Go right at 18 Road.
All right.